Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SDC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. But I'm actually just going to get rid of this line for now, and let's just apply the KISS method here headed into the weekend. Keep it simple, stupid. And from that point of view, really the straightforward level of support from the technical point of view, nothing fancy, nothing complicated here. But it's really all about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, which even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that as long as the price remains above that level, that's definitely a step in the right direction, and that is a sign of bullishness. Now, does that mean that everything is going to just be fine and, beautiful and it's going to just rain money from the sky? I'm not saying that. My point is, just from a very simplistic and straightforward, viewpoint, as long as the price is above that line, again, keyword being moving, so as that line moves itself higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above that level next week, then that does still imply that the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. So that's the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the current chart. Just continue to watch that purple line, and as long as the price stays above it, that is exactly what you want to see. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, and once again, applying the KISS method here for keep it simple, stupid, the level that everybody and their brother's uncle is going to be watching next week is right up here at $6.15. You go through the history of things, you can see going back to Thursday, that's where the price was rejected. And then you look earlier on in the day, and that's again where the price was rejected. If the price can get a good high volume break of there, then yeah, at that point it starts to make more sense talking about these levels of resistance up above 650. But as of right now, talking about 650 and beyond, pretty premature, because first the price just needs to prove itself that it can get back up to that level and then break above it. And if that can take place, then at that point, yeah, it makes a whole lot more sense to start to talk about those levels up above 650. But all in all, nice movement, very nice closeout to the week, both Thursday and Friday with all this volume and price movement. So let's see if the price can carry into this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.